How to convert a photo to a PDF on the iPad. First of all, open up the Photos app. Then choose the photo that you would like to save as a PDF. In my case, I'm going with this lovely Highland cow here. Then in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on the share icon. Then scroll down and tap on print. Don't worry though, we're not going to print this photo, but we have to get into this menu in order for us to save it as a PDF. The next step is to tap on the share icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And we're then going to tap here on Save to Files. Now on the left side here, decide where you would actually like to save this PDF. And then tap on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Now we swipe up from the bottom to go back to the home screen. And as we save this PDF to files, we are now going to open up the Files app. In my case, the Files app is situated here. If you're having problems to find it, you can also swipe down from the middle of the screen and then use this search field here to search for files. You should easily find the Files app like this, and once you found it, tap on it to open it up. And here we have our lovely Highland cow as a PDF now. Let me quickly open it up. And this is how our PDF looks like. Perfect. You can actually do the very same thing here in the Files app as well. So if you have a photo saved here in the Files app rather than in the Photos app, you can also just tap on it and then go to Share here in the upper right corner of the screen. And we're now basically doing the exact same thing. So we will go to Print here. Then we tap on the Share icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And when we tap Save to Files here and decide on the location where we would like to save this file, after tapping on Save here, we have created yet another PDF, this time based on this picture or photo here, which was actually a screenshot. Once we close that here, we are back to our overview here in the Files app, and sure enough here we have our newly created PDF. Now before we wrap this up, I would also like to show you how to convert multiple photos to a PDF on the iPad. The first thing you want to do to achieve this is to go to Select in the upper right corner of the screen. And now you can actually select all the photos that you would like to have in your PDF. So let's say I would like to have these two photos or pictures as part of my PDF. I will select both of these. And then at the bottom here, I will tap on Share. Now we go to Print. We tap on the Share icon here in the upper right. We tap on Save to Files. We give it a name here. Make sure that the location here is set. And finally tap on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. And just like that, we created a PDF containing these two images. Works like a charm, lovely. And this is how you convert a photo or even multiple photos to a PDF on the iPad. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more iPad tutorials.